We are making M&M Christmas cookies. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, Jack, put the butter in. Take your spatula.
All of it?
All of it in the bowl.
That with a lot of force time.
Yeah, you gotta go around the sides. Use the sharp edge. No, use this sharp, like this.
I never did
Then
it
pull it out.
before. I did the cookie mix.
Give me that one. Give me that one.
I did the cookie mix. Never actually made
Okay.
cookie mix. Brown.
Okay, there's the brown sugar. Put the brown sugar in.
Okay.
You use your, yeah, you might need your thing. Okay. Use your thing to just
Like sandcastle.
hold on to the bowl. Okay, then you gotta put the white sugar in. Okay, there we go. Now move it out of the way. Okay, Lauren. Up you
Jump
get.
down. I got a cracking. Cookie hands, make a
A little
cookie.
harder. There,
Put it in the middle. Put your phone in the middle.
that's it. Let it go all the way. That's it, don't get any eggshell in there. That's good. 3 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2. Okay, this is gonna get harder now.
Yeah. I want to get feeling it. Oh, yep.
Okay, let Lauren come up and have a turn now. Okay. 3 cups of flour. Okay. I got other stuff to go in there too. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon fine salt. More flour. Okay. Do you want to get just put them in. Oh my goodness. Do the
Big space for
the other ones.
I saw it all.
Right.
And you probably have one more over there.
Yep.
Too big. Too small.
Beautiful.
Don't get too close. Thanks.
Okay, now you're making chocolate chip cookies?
Yeah!
Go for
Okay.
it.
You go over there, Lauren, so you can stir. So you're gonna put 3/4 cup packed brown sugar in the thing. Let Lauren do that part. You put 1/2 cup of sugar in.
And butter.
1/2 cup of butter. Somebody has to start stirring this stuff.
Oh.
As you're putting it in.
And put it in.
Yeah.
All of it.
Yes?
It's outside me.
Keep it over the bowl. Okay, do you want me to stir a little bit there to get it all mixed in before we add some other stuff?
Suck.
That looks so good, I want to eat it.
I like it too.
They don't take long to.
I like it.
Okay, okay, vanilla. Lauren, get here, start stirring. Vanilla. Egg. Oh, hurry up, get it over the bowl. Get any of the shells in there. Okay. And then the flour. Finish your flour. Oh, got some on the bottom there. Okay, that's good. Okay, you could get to stir the chocolate chips in there. Okay, stir them.
Chocolate chips.
Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. You got some over here. No. There we go.
Sorry.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Now we're gonna